Dear students of 5th standard, a very good morning. Today we will be learning regarding parts of a sentence. What is the meaning of parts of a sentence? Sentence ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ. Parts of a sentence ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದ ಭಾಗಗಳು. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪದ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Different words combine to form a sentence, isn't it? So a sentence has different parts. Okay. So in this unit we will be learning regarding parts of a sentence. First of all, the sentence. The sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is known as a sentence. So this statement itself is what? A sentence. Okay. ಇದೇ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಪದಗಳ ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪದಗಳ ಗುಂಪು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ sense when you read it. Okay, and that group of word is known as a sentence. So there are many types of sentences. Okay, so if a sentence tells us something, sentence ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳುವ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 examples. I will explain these examples to you. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಗೀತಾ ಈಸ್ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್? ಗೀತಾ ಈಸ್ ಕುನಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಗೀತಾ ಈಸ್ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಗೀತಾ ಕುನಾಲ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಪದ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್? There are 4 words, isn't it? Okay, there are 4 words, and this is a group of word, and also this group of word has a sense. So what is this? It is a sentence, and this sentence is telling us something. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು? ಗೀತಾ ಕುನಾಲ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ whenever a sentence tells us something, it will have a full stop at the end. And what is a full stop? Full stop ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು ವಾಕ್ಯದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ಒಂದು ಚುಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? ಒಂದು ಚುಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಡಾಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಾಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್? ವೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಬೀನ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ವೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಬೀನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. So whenever a sentence is if a sentence will ask us something, or if a sentence is a question, then what it will have at the end? It will have a question mark. Okay, sentences like what are you doing? Okay, ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ? What are you doing? So this is what this sentence is asking something from you, isn't it? What are you doing? So this sentence will have a question mark at the end. What are you doing? Where have you been? Why were you absent? Why were you absent? So the sentences which will ask us something, they will have a question mark at the end. And the sentences which just tell us something, like I am a good girl. I am a good ಗರ್ಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಇದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ನಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟ್. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 things in a sentence. Okay, one is a subject, one is a predicate. So what is a subject? A word or a group of words about which something is said is called the subject of the sentence. ಒಂದು ಪದ ಅಥವಾ ಪದಗಳ ಗುಂಪು, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಅ ವರ್ಡ್ or a group of words, a word or a group of words that say something about the subject is called the predicate. So we will go through the example, then you will understand exactly what is the subject and what is the predicate. So every sentence will have two parts. One is subject, one is predicate. So this subject and predicate, these can be a single word, or this can be a single word or a group of words. Group of words ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, single words ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. What is subject? Subject is a word or a group of word about which something is said. Predicate, what is predicate? It is those are words which describe the subject. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋ. We will look into the examples so you can understand more thoroughly. So what is the first example? Rohan is eating apples. So in this sentence, what are we talking about? We are talking about Rohan. And what this sentence is, ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ರೋಹನ್ ಆಪಲ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ರೋಹನ್ ಆಪಲ್ ಖಾ ರಹಾ ಹೈ. ರೋಹನ್ ಆಪಲ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಹನ್? ರೋಹನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. So Rohan is the subject and eating apples is the predicate. I will circle the subject and I will underline the predicate. Okay. So what is Rohan is the subject and eating apples is the predicate. So in another example here, given here, Farzana is reading a book. So students, now you tell in your mind, okay, which is the subject here and which is the predicate here. Farzana is the subject and is reading a book is a predicate. Very good. So I hope you understood what is the subject and what is the predicate. Here some exercises given. We will go through it. Write a predicate for the subject. So here the subject given. So we are going through first main. Okay, first main exercise. First question. Write a predicate for the subject I. So I is the subject here. So what predicate we will write for I? So what you can say about yourself? I means what? Nanu. ನಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ. Okay. So I is the subject. What predicate we will write? How we will describe I? I am a good girl. Okay. You can also write it as I am a good singer. So I is subject and whatever we are writing next to I is, we are describing ourselves, isn't it? That is predicate. So I am a good singer, I am a good student. You can write anything. So next question is, write a subject for the predicate. Dash loves me a lot. So loves me a lot is what here? It is predicate. So we have to write subject for dash loves me a lot. So we can write the subject as mother. Okay. So mother loves me a lot. You can also write a subject as Tina or Ravi, anything you can write. Okay, Abdullah, Aisha, you can write anything. So usually subjects are, we can say they are names or pronouns. Okay, so we will look forward. Here one exercise is given. Okay, second main, circle the subject in each sentence. So I will go through only few sentences. Okay, since this is bridge course, we can't go in detail. So I will take only few examples. First 3-4 examples. My little brother likes to eat pasta. So what is the subject here? My little brother is the subject. Okay. So ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ತಾ ತಿನ್ನೋದಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ? ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಮ್ಮನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಮೈ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್? ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ತಾ. Okay, that will be the predicate. So we have to circle here only subject. So we will circle only subjects. Okay, my little brother. Carol bought a floral hat. So what is the subject here? Carol is the subject. So usually subject comes in the beginning of a sentence. You can note. Okay, predicate comes after the sentence most of the time. Carol bought a floral hat. So what is the next example? Bobby kicked the ball. So what is the subject here in this example? Bobby is the subject. Okay, rubber is used to make gloves and slippers. Rubber is used to make gloves and slippers. So in fourth one, which is the subject? Rubber is the subject. Okay, now next exercise, circle the predicate in each sentences. We left a bunch of bananas for the monkeys. So what is the predicate here? We are talking about whom? We are talking about here, the sentence is talking about we. We means a group of people. We left a bunch of banana for the monkeys. So what is the predicate here? Left a bunch of banana for the monkeys. Okay. So what is the second sentence here? Sheldon has 3 pencils on his desk. So Sheldon is the subject here. But in this example, we have to circle the predicate. So we will only circle the predicate. So you should not get confused. Okay. Sheldon has 3 pencils on his desk. So we are talking about Sheldon. Now ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು? ಶೆಲ್ಡಾನ್ ಹತ್ರ 3 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಶೆಲ್ಡಾನ್ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇದೆ? 3. ಇದೇನು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕೇಟ್. The word or group of words which describe the subject. So the third exercise here, third question in the exercise, we crossed the bridge to reach the school. So we is the subject. What is the predicate? Cross the bridge to school. So now you have to tell me, okay, which is the predicate. In the fourth question, the balloons at the country fair were free. So what is the predicate here? At the country fair were free. Okay. So here we will end the subject and predicate part. If you have any doubts, kindly ask me personally.